What if I told you that you could build a Greek god physique if you knew how to unlock your V-taper? In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate V-taper workout that sculpts your upper body like it was carved from marble. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because the final trick I'm sharing is something most guys completely overlook. Let's start with the undisputed king of V-taper development, the pull-up. Think of your lats as wings. The wider and stronger they get, the more they flare out from your torso, instantly giving your upper body that broad, tapered shape. Pull-ups directly target the latissimus dorsi, the large, flat muscles that span from under your armpits to the mid-back. And when properly trained, they create that dramatic width that makes your waist look narrower, even if your waistline hasn't changed a bit. And here's the fun part, your body becomes the weight. No dumbbells, no cables, just pure primal strength. If you can crank out 10 plus clean reps, you're well on your way to God status. But form is everything. Make sure to start from a full dead hang. Pull your chin over the bar and lower slowly with control. If you're a beginner, use resistance bands or an assisted machine to build up your reps. Once you've mastered them, experiment with grip variations, wide grip, chin-ups, neutral grip, to hit the lats from multiple angles and keep them growing. Want to test your pull-up passion? Here's a fun one. What do you think is the world record for the most pull-ups done in a single day? Think about it. I'll reveal the shocking answer later in the video, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Now that your wings are spreading wide, let's move to the next move that adds bold armor to your upper body and turns heads from across the gym. Shoulder presses. If pull-ups are your wings, shoulder presses are your armor. The shoulders, especially the deltoids, are what give you that 3D capped look. And the broader your shoulders, the sharper the taper down to your waist. Shoulder presses target all three heads of the deltoid, but emphasize the front and side delts the most. Essential for building that width from the front and the illusion of strength from every angle. They also activate the triceps and upper traps, making them a must-do for upper body domination. And hey, real quick, I've put together the best training and nutrition ebooks to help you build this look faster. They're linked in the description. Go check them out if you're serious about results. For shoulder presses, you can use dumbbells, a barbell, or a machine. But the key is form and control. Start with the weights at shoulder height, press straight up until your arms are fully extended, and lower slowly. Don't let your elbows flare too much. Keep them slightly in front of your body to protect your rotator cuff. And don't arch your back like you're doing a limbo contest. Keep that core tight and spine neutral. For a killer pump, finish your last set with some slow negative reps or drop sets. Oh, and pro tip, pressing while seated keeps your form strict and prevents cheating. Later in this video, I'll share a secret hack that can literally double your progress. It's simple, it's overlooked, and it's probably the missing piece in your current routine. Now that the frame is wide and sculpted, let's add the finishing touches that make that V-shaped torso pop like ancient columns carved from marble. Arm work. Yes, the arms. Biceps and triceps don't just fill out your t-shirt, they act as the visual punctuation to your upper body masterpiece. While they're not the main builders of the V-taper, well-developed arms complete the aesthetic and add that Greek statue holding a spear vibe. The biceps, especially the long head, enhance that outer curve that catches attention, while the triceps make up roughly 2/3 of your upper arm mass and add thickness and dimension. But here's the secret sauce. Focus on intelligent variety, not just endless curls. Start your arm day with compound movements like close grip push-ups or dips to hit the triceps hard. Follow that with bicep-focused movements, alternating dumbbell curls, hammer curls, or preacher curls to isolate and stretch the muscle fully. Always control the negative, squeeze at the top, and don't swing like you're playing air guitar. For triceps, use skull crushers, overhead extensions, or rope pushdowns. Focus on full range of motion and lockout to really activate those muscle fibers. Train arms at least twice per week for hypertrophy, and don't be afraid to superset for maximum pump and time efficiency. Alright, remember the question I asked earlier about the world record for the most pull-ups in a single day? Brace yourself. The answer is 11,707 pull-ups. Yes, you heard that right. Achieved by Oh Johan from South Korea. Let that sink in and let it inspire your next pull-up session. Now that the frame is wide and the arms are popping, it's time to bring in a crucial zone most guys totally neglect. Yet it makes a massive difference in the V illusion: upper chest exercises. The upper chest is like the crown of your torso. If it's flat or underdeveloped, your chest can look droopy or boxy, and that's not what the gods intended. But when it's built right, the upper chest creates a shelf that blends smoothly into the shoulders and traps, exaggerating that upward sweep of the V-taper. To hit this area, incline pressing is your best friend. Incline dumbbell presses, incline barbell presses, or even incline push-ups all emphasize the clavicular head of the pectoralis major, the part responsible for upper pec development. This isn't about moving heavy weight with your ego. It's about tension, control, and contraction. Lower the weight slowly to feel the stretch, and push explosively while keeping the shoulders down and chest high. A 30 to 45 degree incline is ideal. Too steep and you're doing a shoulder press. Too flat and you're back to the mid-chest. Flies, cable crossovers, and machine presses at an incline also help isolate and finish off the area. For an extra burn, try a drop set or isometric hold at the top of the last rep. Upper chest work not only enhances your taper, but also gives your physique that elevated proud posture. As I promised earlier, here is the one final secret that unlocks the true potential of your V-taper. You have to get leaner. No matter how big your lats or shoulders are, if your waist is bloated or covered in fat, your V-taper won't show. Shred body fat through a clean diet, cardio, and sleep, and your physique will reveal the god underneath. Now, let's wrap it all together into a full-blown transformation plan. To carve out that Greek god silhouette, train 5 days a week with 3 strength-focused days and 2 accessory pump days. Day 1, back and arms. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 8 to 12, barbell rows. 3 sets of 10, hammer curls. 3 sets of 12 to 15, rope push-downs. 3 sets of 15. Day 2, chest and shoulders. Incline dumbbell press. 4 sets of 8 to 12, shoulder press. 3 sets of 10, lateral raises. 3 sets of 12 to 20, incline flies. 3 sets of 12. Day 3, rest or active recovery. Do some light cardio, mobility, and stretching. Day 4, arms and delts focus. Close grip push-ups, 3 sets to failure. Dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 12. Arnold press, 3 sets of 10. Triceps dips, 3 sets of 15. Day 5, back and upper chest. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 8 to 12. Incline barbell press, 4 sets of 10 to 15. Face pulls, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Cable crossovers, 3 sets of 10 to 12. If you're serious about results, check out the workout and nutrition ebooks I made. They're your blueprint to becoming a modern-day Greek god. Link in the description. I know some of you might not have access to the gym or simply prefer bodyweight training. Don't worry, you can still achieve a Greek god physique. Check out the video popping now on the screen. It explains everything. And don't forget to like the video and comment what you want to see next.